Hello, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. I'm going to take you around today this delivery mileage 2022 Volkswagen Transporter Kombi conversion, originally a panel van, and a genuine conversion into the Kombi 6-seater in the ever popular pure grey. This is a 150ps DSG short wheelbase model with our MASV styling kit. See the spoilers there, gloss black pack. It's the Highline model. This comes with a really nice spec, got the front and rear sensors on it. As you can see here, it's got the sidebars, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres, and it's been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Smoked side repeaters, and the black pack extends to the wing mirrors too. Privacy tints at the rear and roof rails on the top there. Now I'm going to show you the interior. This is the one outstanding bit to be done. We're having one of our bespoke embossed leathers put in here. There's a little bit of a delay on those at the minute, so that's just a short while away. But I will just show you, seats are in it currently. So this will be a leather interior. The DAB head unit, you can use Google Maps Nav through that with your Android or Apple phone. Optional extra of heated front seats on this one. Aircon and adaptive cruise control are standard, as is a heated front screen. Now in the rear, I mentioned this is a Kombi conversion, so it's got the genuine 2+1 rear seats. Nero oak style vinyl flooring, anti-slip. It's good expensive flooring, that. It's quality materials. And it's been fully carpet lined on the sides, suede lined on the roof with 4 downlighters. And as you can see on the tailgate there, it's got 2 downlighters on there also, just to make the loading area nice and bright if you're loading at night. Continuing around the vehicle, we have got contrasting gloss black spoiler on the rear. This is a solid tailgate. Very rare to see this on a Kombi type vehicle. Very good for security if you carry in stuff of value, i.e. bikes, tools, etc. in the back. MASV detailing, it's got the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. This one has also got a reversing camera. It's another optional extra. And in the back here, as you can see, better view of the carpet lining. And of the flooring. Another little touch we do, we smoke the lights and lenses. Just fits in with the gloss black pack. Other standard specification on the Highline, you do get the power folding mirrors. Now it's worth noting that as a delivery mileage vehicle, this comes with a balance of manufacturer's warranty until it's 3 years old in 2025 and roadside assistance too. Mileage today, 183 miles. So as mentioned, just the bespoke leather to go in and it's fully complete. We'll upload pictures as soon as we have them of that. But a lovely vehicle, full description and 20+ photos on the website martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Part exchanges are welcome and we can offer competitive finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us, and thanks for watching.